Hurricane Ian. Now, I'm gonna start off with the softer side. The soft side of this is they sending your people is sending millions and billions of dollars to another country to fight another country. But how much money do you think they're gonna put up for the victims of the hurricane? They putting up millions and billions of dollars for another country to fight a war. How much money did they put up for homeless people? So, as that being out of the way, let me tell you something, people. This is how I feel about things. When you live on a coastal area and they tell you to evacuate because a big major hurricane is coming, can wipe you down, leave. You have no reason to stay. Now what you want to do in the end is you want to put somebody else's life in danger to come and save your ass, when you should have left like they told you to. Now, more than likely, ain't nobody really studying this from that way because they got more important tasks and things to do. But if you one of them people that live on a coastal area and you watching this and they tell you, leave. If you was just caught up in a hurricane and you watching this later, you should have left next time. Leave. Now, us being where we from, we don't get it too bad if it come up here. But if you in them coastal area, man, your house ain't good for battling 18-foot waves.
Oh my God!
This last one had 155 mile per hour sustained wind. Sustained means it's going. And I'm not like that, because when Hurricane Katrina come along, that was the most depressing stuff. I mean, cause the whole time all you hear is all that noise. That's all you hear, and it's like for hours upon hours upon hours upon hours. And we was looking out the door. You could see, you just watch the trees do this here. You see some pow break.
Jesus Christ.
Pow. You watching stuff fly on people's house across the street. You just know your house getting battered. Yeah. If you live somewhere where there's a volcano, leave. If they say it's erupting, leave. If there's a fire heading towards your house, leave. Ain't nothing you can do if it get there. Just hope when you come back your house is still there intact. But now, when I saw they was talking about the people talking they need help. Hey, nobody finna help you through no storm. Then they showed the fire department. They truck was under like 2.5, 3 feet, about 3.5 feet of water. The station was underwater. What you think they gonna do for you? People's on there crying, tearing, and then the roof blew off and water come in. Like, you didn't know that was gonna happen? Especially if you've been in Florida for a while, you know what happens. I mean, it's not a joking matter at all, people. But still, leave. Leave. Leave.